Hello everyone, we are now approaching the middle of July and that can only mean one thing. It is of course fast approaching the global Birdfair weekend, which this year is on the 11th, 12th and 13th of July. And if you want to go to a really fantastic event that also supports conservation work for birds all around the world and has done for over 30 years, then I strongly recommend you check out Global Birdfair's website. I'll put a link in the description below this video. Not only that, I will be there exhibiting myself. I'll be making my own little mini wildlife garden, as I have been doing for many years. So myself and the Wild Your Garden stand will be there with all the usual products that we have. We have special prices on our wildflowers, our peat-free wildflowers in the 9cm pots and the plugs. We'll also be selling bird boxes, bird food, you name it. Everything will be available to you if you come along and see us on the weekend of the 11th, 12th and 13th. On the Sunday, I'm also giving a talk about wildlife gardening. So if you're around and you want to come and see, if you're in the fair, it's absolutely free. Come and see me on the Sunday, 12 p.m. I will be in one of the lecture marquees giving a talk on how you can help wildlife in your own garden. And I really hope to see you there. It really is a great event. And last year alone, Tim and Penny, the event organisers, managed to raise a whopping £125,000, which goes to BirdLife International, and they then help different conservation projects all around the world. And they have raised literally millions of pounds over the last 30 plus years, helping birds all around the world, as I say. And so it is a really great weekend, great for the kids. There's lots of talks you can go to, lots of events. I'm also going to be taking part in one of my favourite parts on the weekend, and that is the wildlife gardening question time. Can't wait for that. It's always a good laugh. So trust me, there is so much to do. Even if you just come for the day, check it out. It's right slap bang in Rutland, the smallest county in the UK, and which is conveniently located right in the middle of the UK as well. So if you want to come and see my mini wildlife garden, if you want to come and get some special offers on some wildflowers, and you want to ask me your burning questions about wildlife gardening, come to one of the talks, come and see me at my stand, and come for a great day out with the family, or come on your own. It's really brilliant. It's a wonderful birding community and conservation community there. I've got so many friends that I've made just from simply being at this event, and I promise you, once you've been once, you'll have to come back. So check out the Global Birdfair website. I'll put a link in the description below, and I really hope to see you all there on the 11th, 12th and 13th of July. Take care, stay wild, and I'll see you all very soon.